Hi, I'm Leslie Roberts with Ultra Medical. Thanks for helping us install the AEDs throughout this customer's organization. What we're going to do is we have on-site AEDs, and some of the locations actually have the units already. Some of them have the AED in a standard case, and some of them will have it in a slim case. If they have the smaller slim case, we're going to need to take them out and put them in a new one. And then we're also going to install a SmartLink transmitter. So what the transmitter does is once we get this installed, we're going to be able to monitor whether or not the AEDs pass their self daily, weekly, monthly, and be able to keep track of what's happening. So what we're going to want you to do is take the AED out of the case, take the battery out of it, install the inlay in the AED carrying case there, and that's going to connect here, and we're going to install the battery in the SmartLink transmitter. Then we're going to install the battery in the AED, lay it on the inlay, it needs to be on that, and then it's going to go through a sequencing process to connect to the cloud and set up the system. So let's do that. So we're going to put the battery in the SmartLink. When you do that, you'll start to see the lights light up here. The next thing we're going to do is put the battery in the AED.
Self-test. In case of emergency, press the green on-off button.
And you're going to follow the voice prompts.
If the orange button is flashing, press it.
So you'll press that.
Verified.
And you'll see there's a series of lights, green lights that'll flash here. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to go through that whole sequence.
Testing. 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 Testing.
And you can see we're still at 3 lights.
Testing. 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 Ready for use. In case of emergency, press the green on-off button.
So the AED's gone through its self-test now, and the SmartLink transmitter is still communicating with the cloud in terms of setting up the AED. That click you heard just basically said that the AED loaded up a shock internally and discharged it into the capacitor. Once this is completed, we're just going to zip up the case, put the fast response kit pad on, and put it in the AED cabinet. And if it goes to 4 red flashing lights, that means you just need to reinstall the battery again and go through that drill. Sometimes it doesn't go on the first time. So you just pop the battery back out on the SmartLink. Pull the battery out here. Reinsert this one. And just go through the process one more time.
Self-test. In case of emergency, press the green on-off button. If the orange button is flashing, press it. Verified. Testing.
And the whole process takes about 2 minutes. So
Testing.
we're going to shorten it a little bit.
Testing. Ready for use. In case of emergency, press the green on-off button.
And again, it's going back and it's confirming on the cloud that it's receiving the transmission. And just be patient. And eventually all the lights will go out. And you're ready to go. You can put it in the holder. Wait for the last light to go out. And once all the lights are out, just make sure that the cable is in here. You can close the flap and then zip up the AED. And we'll want to place it in the cabinet with the fast response kit on the side. And you're going to want to aim it so that you can have the green flashing light show through the front of the cabinet. And then there will be keys, and if you would, then put the key in and arm the alarm so that if somebody would open the door, the alarm goes off. So we appreciate your help. Please feel free to call us if you have any questions. Thank you.